Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This is going to be a step-by-step showing you how to deep fry or pan fry a fish. Actually, today I'm going to use a mix between pan fry and deep fry. Chinese say 半煎炸, yeah, 半煎炸. Okay, so I have a piece of fish cutlet here. This is a grouper, 7-star grouper actually. If you can use any fish cutlet you have. After you clean the fish, most important thing here is for you to pat your fish dry using a kitchen towel. Why you want to do this? Because you don't want the water later is going to make the oil splatter, yeah? So you want to do this to protect yourself. So once it is dry up, we shall marinate it with a bit of salt. Usually I won't put pepper. I know a lot of people will put pepper, but somehow I feel from my previous experience, every time I put in the pepper, the fish actually sticks easier to the wok. So usually I won't put pepper, just salt will do. So get ready a wok of oil here, and it is ready when you start seeing smoke coming up from the oil. This is 180 degrees and above, which is exactly the kind of temperature we wanted. After you put it in the fish, do not flip it first. Leave it there for at least about 1 to 2 minutes before we flip it to the other side. And you continue to use medium-high heat to deep fry the fish. Now today I purposely use a stainless steel wok. That is actually to give it even higher heat. But if you're a beginner or you are not sure, don't use a stainless steel wok. Use a non-stick, because a stainless steel wok usually will transmit higher heat, which is more, as a little bit more dangerous, right? And if you use a normal stainless steel pot, it will actually, non-stick, it will actually be much easier for you to control. This is after about 1 minute plus. So I will give another side maybe about 1 minute plus, then it is almost done. That's how easy it is. Just now there was quite a lot of smoke, so I feel the temperature is a little bit too high. I actually lower it a little bit. Now it's between medium to medium high. Yeah. This is after another 1 minute plus. Let me check. Look at how beautiful it is. Long time I haven't used a stainless steel wok because of the reflection of my lighting. So I try to use non-stick most of the time right now to give you a more pleasing video to look at. Alright, about approximately 4 minutes, it is basically done. And you want to get ready an oil absorbing paper at the side. Push the fish aside to allow the oil to render out slowly. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Ooh, I'm going to off the heat and slowly put this fish over to the oil absorbing paper. Done. There you go. Here's our perfectly fried fish. You can put a little bit of light soy sauce on top. Done. I would love to eat it with chili padi later. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. If you're not sure about stainless steel, don't use stainless steel. You use a non-stick. Non-stick will be much more easier. Bye-bye.